All right, we've got a bounce in natural gas after a new pullback low. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exness, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So yesterday what happened, we spiked higher, a new trend high, got above the 420, hit a high of 437, which completed this 433 target, which is a completion of this A, B, C, and D pattern. So in other words, the CD rally matches the rally of the AB leg of the advance, and therefore there is symmetry between the two swings, and that's when we get a potential pivot. And this was pretty close enough, certainly, to pay attention to, particularly given the subsequent bearish reaction. Yesterday closed very weak in the lower third of the day's price range and below this 420 high and below this high here and this high here and this high here. So all that is bearish. But today we got a pullback below yesterday's low, found support at the day's low of 374, and then there's a bounce. But notice that the high is at this dotted dash trend line, which also 2 days ago resistance, and then today resistance, and that line is parallel this channel line right here, which has a higher slope, obviously, than this initial channel line right here, which creates this parallel channel and this high right here and this high right here. So in other words, you see the relationship. So where does that leave us? Well, certainly this is a key support zone down here with a bottom of 364. Which is this prior high right here, becomes potential support. That's what we're watching for. And if that happens, then this bull trend remains intact. However, a drop below that level, and if price stays below it and below this uptrend line, that's weakness that may lead to a test of lower prices. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great week.